want justice. Justice tonight. Justice tonight. We want justice. Justice tonight. Justice tonight. We want justice. Justice tonight. We want justice. Justice. Justice tonight. Justice tonight. Justice tonight. We want justice.
Amakan bisimun kya bhai? Ek pade mari kana jinaka muribo. Amakan itu nesaribo de. Nesaribo. Investigation team bhi kuri ase. Amakan bhi kuribo. Aru itu kite bhi nesaribo. Accident hoise to, mari dise to, hoile bhi jinaka kuri kana. Taikan laga ki ase, ki nai amakan itu sob to inch wise te amakan itu sabule ase. Ekta pathor bhi amakan nesaribo de. Itu naga manu ke janai di ase. Aru yate कौन भी होगी आर्मी भी होगी सिविलियन भी होगी और इनका चाहते हैं जे एक्सीडेंट हो जाए मारी दिले की हो से कोई के ना साइ के ना धकेले जुटी अरे इतो तो कहीं लगा लग इनका ऐसे होला कोई के ना अमाखान भी एक्सेप्ट करेंगे बारे होले भी एक्सीडेंट न होए we cannot accept losing of our two civilian aru amar laga bacha duita mari dia to amakan mun bro amakan accept koribo na pari de itu nimite amakan itu so inch by inch aru step by step amakan itu nisari kana bisaribo itu kane aji ade kuan desina kiman yate well wishers kan thakibo aru kiman leaders kan ase itu lead kuribo nimite yate CSO te amakan ekta duita president loile apna kan naga leader rakhi kena ase amakan sob pra jane nokoi boile bi apna kan amakan ke itu bi information to dibi nesaribo amakan itu sob last tak nesaribo koi kena apna kan ke itu janai di ase.
On behalf of Phom People's Council, Phomla Hojam and Phom Student Conference submit this memorandum to express our collective anguish over the tragic hit and run incident that occurred on the 25th October 2025, which claimed the precious lives of two innocent civilians from our community. It is indeed a matter of great pain and unrest that despite the loss of lives under such grievous circumstances, the course of justice appears to be unduly delayed. The incident has caused immense sorrow and outrage among the public, and the affected families continue to suffer while the culprit remains unbooked. Therefore, we earnestly urge your esteemed office to take immediate and appropriate action to ensure that the culprit or the culprits involved in the said hit and run case are identified and brought to justice without further delay. A transparent investigation is carried out to ascertain all facts, including whether any officials or institutional vehicles was involved. The bereaved families are adequately compensated and extend all necessary support as per law and humanitarian consideration. We believe that timely and just action will not only bring solace to the grieving families, but also uphold public faith in the rules of law and the district administration. We look further to your prompt and sympathetic intervention in this manner. Thanking you, sincerely yours, YP Angam Phom, President PBC, AI Nyi Phom, President Phomla Hojam, C. Shambi Phom, President PAC.
25
PBC President da loigna
Khomla Hoichum President Bra Lugina aro PSC President Bra Lugina Longleng Town laga different civil society organization kiman jon ahigena aji itu sad accident case ekta laga issue loigena aise amhan representation kundo amnigan submit korise itu loi ase aro itu laga accident case te district administration aro state government behalf pra pi mon gura ekdam duk pa laga itu amhan community khan mon gura logode ekir logode amhan bi mon guri ase koina itu kotha bi janai di ase yate accident hoigina aftermath situation bi bishi olaise tate amhan community based organization leaders khan elders khan loigina itu situation bi bhal bra district administration aro police logode cooperate assistance kurigina itu ঘটনা situation dia jabole prabi prevent grow para aro tade solve grow para itu nuide bi khushi ba janai di ase itu laga case te itia thagia du proper prompt investigation police investigation kuribole ase to tade aman narrow down kurigina convoy party দুইটা থাকিছে আপ পার্টি ডাউন পার্টি থাকিছে বলিবি টুইনসাংব্রা নামিয়া খান কনভয় তাতে হে সাসপেক্ট টু হইলে তো হব পারে এটো ধরিব পারা নিমিতে এটো জোয়া খালি তাক এটো সাইজিং কৰি কিনা এটো জোৰহাট পৰা উঠিয়া পাৰ্টি which has only reached up to Longleng নলে আমান নাগা জংশনদা পুঞ্জা পাৰ্টি খানটো वापस जोरहाटे पठाई दिसे तुनसांग ब्रा आहा 12টা গাড়ি আছে ইতুটো আন্ডার ইনভেস্টিগেশন রাখিনা আছে along with driver along with co driver সব ইটো রাখি আছে তো ইনভেস্টিগেশন পুলিশ ইনভেস্টিগেশন যায় আছে ইটোতে এরাপ করব নিবিদে আমাহান ফরেনসিক সায়েন্স ল্যাবরেটরি Dimapur bra personnel can be engaged kuri ase tahan itia ek khanda majote Longleng pungjigna idu further idu laga investigation kuribo aro the assurance from the district administration aro police is that we will leave no stone unturned to find out the culprit nohile ki idu case te connected ase idu khan loigina justice to deliver koribo at the same time district administration aro police side prabi state government logode bi amahan ito incident laga report to pathaigina ase aro ex gratia payment compensation ito laga bi seriously aro with full effort amahan take up koribo koina ito assurance bi di ase lastly ito laga investigation ito do amahan because of the commotion ito Saturday evening bra loigina Sunday dak ito thagia bra tade investigation de alop initial investigation do alop stall hoi jaise holebi tade assurance di ase yede amar SPP ase duijon personally we have visited the spot also aro itu laga ki connection nole ki evidence nole ki kiman tak jabole ase itu laga tagot pra kurigina jay ase kurigina itu kotha janai di ase yede ki representation amnigan submit korise we will reach it out to the government aro we are hopeful that the state government also will take necessary action to itu de aji laga kotha do amnigan laga representation receive kora aro itulaga case te ki progress ja ase itula kotha janai di ase